Merhaba, أنا Cheros.
Hello friends, I'm Abduvaris.
Hi, I am Cheros.
We are happy to see you in our channel Learn Arabic with Abduvaris.
Welcome to Lesson 8. Today we will teach you how to ask someone's profession and to reply to this question.
Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press like.
Are you ready? Then let's start.
Ma amaluka. It means what's your job? Ma amaluka is used for males. Ma amaluka. What's your job?
For females, you should say Ma amaluki. Let's repeat. Ma amaluki. What's your job? In response, you should say amali and your profession. The word amali means my job is. The word amali is the same for both males and females. For example, amali muhamiya. My job is a lawyer.
Amali ashurti. My job is a policeman. So we finished our lesson 8. See you in our next lessons.
If you find this lesson helpful, just press like button and share with your friends.
Goodbye. Ma salama.
Stay safe and take care.